Yeah, hi guys. So in today's video, we are going to cover about PostgreSQL streaming replication. So I will just tell you in short how it work. So there is a primary node and it keep writing wall files, write ahead logs, and in streaming replication, wall sender continuously send uh, wall logs from their primary node to secondary node, and wall receiver will receive all the wall records and apply to standby node. Okay, so this is a basic functionality. It is almost similar to MySQL replication. So just let me tell you, I have created two servers. One is a master and one is a slave. This is a private node ID, private IP of uh, my servers. Okay, so first I will do a quick you can say connection between these two servers. Is old server, so I will change my IP addresses. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, just a minute. So I already created just names. So let me log into this system. So this is my master node. Okay, I'm just logging into master node. Okay, my master node is connected. This one is my next node I will connect is slave node. Okay, so I connected to both of these node. Let me try PostgreSQL is running. Let me check PostgreSQL port is open or not. So I will run and first I will install nmap and then check whether the port is open or not on my master node. So this one is my slave node. Okay, let me check am I able to connect from slave to master or not. So as you can see, there is no any kind of connectivity as of now. So I will install firewall. Okay, on my master node and open firewall ports on master node. Okay, so if you guys want to refer this document, you can refer. I will just quickly install and finish it. Okay, it requires reboot, so my connection is gone. Once it will restart, I will check the status and still node is not up. Okay, now my node is up. Let me connect and check firewall is up or not. Yes, firewall is running. let me check my default zones. It is a public. I will divide my zone to two different zones. I will add home as a zone. Let me add private network to my home zone and set my default firewall to home zone. Okay. Before going to enable PostgreSQL port, I will install it. Okay, I have this document open to install PostgreSQL. So I will just follow the steps. I will just install it on master server. Okay, just a minute. I have to exclude because by default CentOS also came with PostgreSQL package, so I will exclude default packages. Okay, once it is excluded, I will install repository of PostgreSQL. Okay, let me check PostgreSQLs are available or not. Now I have all PostgreSQL packages. Let me install PostgreSQL Server 12 version. Let me initialize it. My PostgreSQL is initialized. Let me start and enable it. Okay, it is done. So my PostgreSQL on master server is installed. Okay, it is working fine. Let me check whether I am able to connect or not. No, still 482 port is open. Let me add this port. PostgreSQL services on my master server for home zone. Okay, let me add it. I have added. Let me reload it and let me reconfirm whether services are added or not. Okay, PostgreSQL service is showing. Here also PostgreSQL services I can see it is added, but it is showing as a closed state. So I will, so port is open, but PostgreSQL is not allowing to connect this port. Okay, so for that I have to edit postgresql.conf file and lib pgsql cd12. postgresql.conf vi. Okay, let me restart and check it. Yeah, now it is open. PostgreSQL service is I can connect from this server. So I am good with the connection. Now I will just do other changes on master server and install PostgreSQL on secondary server. First let me install secondary server. It is the same step what we are following here. Okay, edit your original repository and exclude existing PostgreSQL packages. Okay, I have done it. Let me install PostgreSQL packages. It is done. Let me check whether packages are available. Yeah, now packages are available. Let me install. I have initialized and PostgreSQL is installed on my Replica server. No need to enable firewall on secondary server. Let me go to master server here. Okay, let me create REPL_user. Okay, user is created. Let me do some changes on master server to enable this streaming application. Okay, so I will do that changes in pg_hba file. Okay, first of all local connection I will put it as a trusted. And here host replication REPL_user. My IP address of private server is this one. I'll copy paste here. I will provide a range that is better, MD5, because I am connecting it using password. Okay, let me restart PostgreSQL services and secondary server. I will run streaming command, backup and restore command using streaming backup. Okay, so to do that, I will do sudo postgres and paste command. Okay, before doing that, I need to stop services. Stop, then go to value pgsql 12 cd data, remove everything from slave server. Again, I will run this command. It is asking me for the password. This is my password for application. Yeah, it is done. Replication is done. I can check it here. How I can check? I can run this command for validation. pg state replication. Okay. Okay. What happened? Okay. I did not started services. That's why. Okay, service is started. Let me run again. It is showing everything is good. Yeah, it is good now. Everything is clear and streaming replication is working fine. Okay, so apart from that, you can check wall. Current wall is same as your write LSN and send LSN. On the slave server also you can validate. Okay, on slave server, if you want to check, you can check it by this parameter is in recovery. If it is in a recovery, then it means that it is a slave server. Last LSN also you can validate. It should be same as your current LSN. Okay, so both are same. We are good. And that's it. This is all about the streaming replication. If you want to check, create database, test db, create table, test table 1, id int, it is created. Okay, record is inserted. You can check here. Traced DB is there. Okay. Okay, I had created it on select star from. Okay, I can see record which is inserted on your primary. If you want to make it as a, so if you see here, it is showing as a async. If you want to make it as a sync replication, you can run this command on your master server and restart your master. Okay, for now it will show you as async. Let me quit and come back again after restart. Okay, now it is in a sync. If you want to, in case of any disaster, if you want to promote your slave as a master server, then you can do that. You cannot create anything. Slave server is read only for now. If you try to create any database, you can't create because it is in read only. If you want to promote this slave as a master server, you have to run one command, and that is select pg promote. You have to go to your slave server and you have to run this command. That's it. It is promoted to your master server, and now if you see here, there is nothing. So your slave is now promoted. You need to rebuild your master. Okay, thank you for watching.